check if there is sound. Let's see Bitcoin. Okay, everything seems to be running fine. It's early morning, still a little bit dark. So let's let's see what happened with Bitcoin. Now starting with the weekly, let's go to the weekly. The weekly is quite bullish, by the way, but we don't know if we're going to get rejected here. So we might get rejected soon because this rally went a little bit further than what I expected. Let's see. Yes, the monthly, I remember from the last video, the monthly was bullish, so we may still continue. Now seeing the daily, money flow is increasing, so this still looks bullish, because simply for one reason, there is bearish divergence on the momentum, but the money flow is increasing, so this is quite bullish. Let's see the lower time frames what we have. Here the money flow is coming down, but we are printing another wave on the momentum, and it would be very interesting for me if we're going to get rejected here, because if we're going to get rejected and lose this level at 22,700, most probably I'm going to short, but right now I'm waiting to see what will happen. We see the momentum. If we have the momentum clip red dot here, we might go down because the money flow is coming down. But yeah, let's see what happens. As you can see on the momentum, we're quite divergent, and at some point this rally will stop, and I think I sense that we're going to get rejected pretty soon. On the 1 hour, the same thing. We have money flow decreasing, divergence on the bearish divergence on the momentum, and Bitcoin is still pushing up, but for how long? I have to see the lower time frames, like 30 minutes and 15 minutes. Nothing major here. We pumped. I think we liquidated some people here again. Some bears were liquidated during the evening, but we have a bot diamond, so yeah, money flow here on the 15 minute is slightly increasing, which is bullish, but momentum is falling down. So really tricky setup. I'll be monitoring, as I said, the 15 minute and 30 minute. Right now it even looks good for a short, but we don't know if this is going to continue. So if I see, let's say, confirmation on the 30 minute and 15 minute that we are still going to get down, yeah, maybe it's good for a short, I would say. On the 1 hour, yeah, we see we pumped here and immediately we got rejected. This is bearish sign. This is on the 1 hour. On the 6 hour, we are still above the cloud. Still this was bullish, but at some point we may revisit the cloud, which is at 21,500 or 600, this level here. So we might revisit it on the 6 hour. Let's see. Yeah, daily also looks quite extended, and maybe it's time to go down to even retest 18.5 support again. So yeah, I think we should count only the shorts right now. We shouldn't long, because longing from this with this kind of rejection is not good for you, I would say. Let me see the lower time frame. So I'm going to wait for this 5 minute. The only thing that I don't like for a short is this money flow that is increasing. I'm going to wait for the 5 minute, and yeah, I want to wait a little bit to see if we have another wave to the upside. If we don't, and we start breaking here, breaking this Tenkan Sen at 23.09, then it's very probable that we can short this to 22,700. Just a small short, but maybe we can leave more to the downside. So yeah, this is pretty much what I think. I think this was a liquidation event, and overall failure to pump even more. It was immediately rejected, which seems to me that either the bulls are taking profit or the bears are still a little bit in control here. So let's see the other charts, but my bias is bearish, to be a bear right now, not to be a bull. And as I said, I just want to see this 5 minute. We're just coming right in the money fall, but due to the 15-minute chart, we may be able to pump even more. So let's see what we have here. The volume delta is has started decreasing, and actually we could have shorted here if it wasn't the evening when I was sleeping. You see the divergence in the volume delta. That means more traders are going short here, and yeah, you can see the divergence. Price is going up, volume delta is going down, so we could have shorted this. But this might mark actually the end of the move if the volume delta starts decreasing from here. Yeah, that's pretty much what I think. Let's see this indicator, Bitcoin price on Google Trends. It seems that this bottomed, and we have printed this wave to the upside, and the interest is increasing, interestingly, when we are going up. This didn't happen previously in the bearish market. When the price was going down, we actually this interest increased over time, and now this is in reverse, and it's quite interesting to observe. But as you can see, we're not going so much up, so I would say we're still consolidating here, and a bigger move to the downside might still be expected in the near future. So that's from my side. Let me see also this chart. Yeah, we have divergence here. We have bearish divergence clearly on this indicator, and as I said, I'll be walking to short, not long. Be careful not to long from this level. I'm not saying that there is not a chance to pump, but even if it pumps a little bit, it is going to be slammed eventually. So be careful. That's my advice, and look for shorts as I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, that's the advice that I can give. Have a good day.